Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to his channel. This next repair is a Samsung 51-inch plasma TV. Model PS51E450A1R. It is turning on but the image is blurry. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and you find it informative, then make sure to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. Sometimes a blurry image occurs when the VS supply is low or not right. So let's measure the VS supply onto this capacitor. The voltage is 200.9 volts, which is just right. Seems we don't have a problem with the VS supply. Let's go to the Y sustain. Let's remove the Y sustain board. The board is very clean, it has not yet been repaired. We have a burnt area on the PCB board. Seems there is a very hot component that causes the PCB board to be burnt. There are MOSFET on the other side where the burnt area is located. Let's test those MOSFETs. We will set the multimeter to continuity. Beeps mean shorted. Seems there is no shorted of those MOSFETs. But this MOSFET has a resistance of about 69 ohms between the source and the drain. The MOSFET is in the position where the burnt PCB is. Let's remove it and test it off the circuit. between the source and the drain has a resistance of about 70 ohms. This MOSFET is leaky. The part number is SMK630. I have a Y sustain board lying around that has an SMK630. Let's remove it. I hope it is not damaged. Let's test it. It is open when the red test probe is on the drain and the black test probe is on the source. When it is reversed, 535 ohms is the reading. Let's test it to diode mode. If beeping means the MOSFET is on. We can turn off the MOSFET by only touching the source and the drain. Compared to the leaky MOSFET, it is always on. Before we solder the MOSFET, let's remove first some of the excess soldering lead. This is a flux, not a toothpaste. Now let's solder the MOSFET. Even though the MOSFET is large, it's still difficult to align it. The soldering lead also served as a heat sink, so let's put many soldering lead on it. Done replacing the MOSFET, let's place back the Y sustain board and let's see if it will work.
Yeah.
Seems working now. The burnt PCB board where the MOSFET is on the other side is not hot.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.